Hello, how can I help you?
I want to go on a trip, but I don't know where to go. Can you help me pick a destination?
Indonesia, Japan, United States. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Ladies and gentlemen, we are passengers. Please put away your tray table. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Passengers, please open the window shade. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly.
I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's go somewhere else. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together.
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin.
Tap to equip the magical item.
Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a great place for a hot spring bath.